This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Principles course. I'm on the Data Tools unit, Lesson 9, Permanent Data Storage, Part 12. Add contacts to the data table by hand. When you originally created this app, you hard-coded at least 3 contacts that were added to your contact list every time the program started running. You'll want to move their information into the database as well. Hard coding is this stuff, right? We created this variable contact1, this object, and then we gave it property name, phone, birthday, image, URL. We hard coded it, right? You don't put this in when the app is running. Well, you do, but the code does it. The user does not. So it's always there. Contact1.name will always equal friend1 in the code, unless you change it. You'll want to move their information in the database. Do this. Your code from the previous exercise is provided. In the data viewer, go to the table you are using to store your contacts. Add rows to the table and copy the URL, name, phone number, etc. for each hard-coded contact in your app. Don't actually delete the hard-coded contacts from your code. Okay. Name for each contact. Copy. I'm not going to make you watch this, so through the magic of YouTube, I'm just going to fast forward to when it is all done. Ta-da! And I should confess, I changed out the pictures for friend 2 and 3 finally to something interesting. So let's go. Don't actually hard delete. Okay, we're not going to delete our hard code stuff. Let me go to my code and just show you. Run. Everything still works. And look at my new images. Ba-da! Yep, friend 2 is a computer because computers are my friends. Ba-ha-ha. All right, let's keep going.